What the fuck is a hiccup? Those annoying little spasms that make your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, jerk the hell out of control. When that dumbass muscle suddenly contracts, your vocal cords slam shut like a goddamn trapdoor, making that classic hic sound that drives you batshit crazy. Hiccups can happen for all kinds of dumb reasons. Eating too fast, gulping down air, drinking booze like a frat boy, or even just getting your ass scared out of nowhere. Usually, they're harmless and go away on their own, but if you get stuck with a hiccup fit that lasts more than 48 hours, you better see a doctor because that shit could mean something serious is up. So next time you get the hiccups, try holding your breath, drinking water upside down, or just wait it out like a patient badass. Go to pdftopickle.com for more about your fucked up but fascinating body.